In this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Roblox account without password or email. The first step is to go to Roblox support page. Open roblox.com and you will be taken to the login screen. In the URL bar at the end of the roblox.com, add /support and press enter. You will now see a support form. Here's what to do. Enter your date of birth. If you remember it, use the one linked to your Roblox account. If not, just click continue. Enter your username. Type in the username of the hacked account. If you had one linked to your account, enter the first name. Provide an email you currently have access to, even if it's not the one linked to your account. Then choose the device you played Roblox in the most, like PC or mobile. Type help category. Select account hacked or can't log in. This is the most important and crucial thing you have to do. Choose account hacked. Use this template when writing your issue. The template will be given in the description. Submit the form and wait for Roblox support to reply via email. Roblox will likely to ask you for proof of account ownership, such as previous passwords, devices and locations you played from, recently purchases, if any. Provide as much accurate information as possible to prove you are the rightful owner. That's it. This is how you can recover Roblox account if it's hacked. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.